Hello, my name is Maya, and this is the first milestone video for my project, the AutoCAD laser. So this milestone was comprised of 3 objectives, and they were getting the laser to shine, wiring the Arduino, and coding the servos. And I managed to do all of that, so I'll show you right now. So here are both of the servos, and as you can see, they're both moving, which means they've been coded. One of them is going to control the horizontal motion of the laser, and the other one is going to control the vertical motion. Here's the laser. It's shining. That's pretty cool. And if I bring the phone down, here's an Arduino Uno that I used, and here's a breadboard that I used, along with a lot of connector wires. And yep. So for the challenges, I think the main challenge was just the fact that I didn't have any experience with electronics like these before going to Blue Stamp. So I spent the majority of this first week just researching all the different parts in my kit. And I was just like, what is this part and how would I be able to use it in my project? Another challenge I ran into was figuring out how to use the breadboard. It seems pretty simple, but it was actually really challenging for me. And I had to rearrange a lot of the wires on the breadboard because I connected them in the wrong places. And while doing so, I learned that certain wires on the servos had to be connected to very specific parts of the breadboard. So for example, this reddish-orange line in the middle, it has to be connected somewhere along this red row of the breadboard. And then this brown, blackish line, it has to be connected somewhere along this blue row on the breadboard. And yeah, as for my second milestone, I'm planning to actually work on the design of the cat laser, and I'm gonna build it out of cardboard. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of designing and brainstorming in this next week. And for the future, I hope to revisit my code because I'd like to add a motion sensor. So like when I stick my hand out in front of the sensor, the code will just run for me. And that's kind of all for this milestone. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day.